Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off 8 ball pool notification. So let's begin. So first of all, open your 8 ball pool application. Now here on the bottom you can see this settings icon. Tap on this settings icon, slowly scroll downwards, scroll down until you see the option called sound. Now turn it off. So sometimes notification might be irritating and it will pop up a lot of time. The next thing you can do is scroll down again, scroll down until you find the option called notification when friends come online, so turn it off also. So these two things are the things that brings up notification in your mobile application. In case there's more notification, you can directly turn it off from your mobile settings. So yes, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.